Meaning of industriously.
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 Industriously. Industriously means working hard and diligently, putting in effort with a strong work ethic. When someone works industriously, they are focused on completing their tasks to the best of their ability without wasting time or allowing themselves to be distracted by other things. This can lead to increased productivity and successful outcomes in their work. By working industriously, individuals can achieve their goals more efficiently and effectively, which can help them to advance in their careers and make progress towards their aspirations. In short, industriousness is a valuable quality that can lead to personal and professional success.